Hello guys, welcome to my channel Just Info. Today I am going to show how the snow in Halifax. See everywhere. It's snowing. I think almost all the places look like white. All house white, all cars white, and all trees white. See, it's almost 45 centimeter from the road. See, almost 45 centimeter from the road, and yeah, it looks good, but it's not feeling that much cold, but it's still cold. I can't stay here for a long time, but it's good. I enjoy a lot, and after that I just plan to explore here. But see, really good. It's the first time we got this much snow in Halifax this year. Yeah, anyway, it's really good. Anyway, I'm going back to home. I don't want to be sick. Bye. My car is there. My car is there. I need to drive all the way. I don't know how I drive. Anyway, let me try.